Mail call, UNC 5s. Man, you see this? First thing I noticed out the box, pull the sucker into the light. And we talk about QC issues. Toe's a little smashed in. Suede is frayed. Some maybe creases right there. If I'm wearing them, that probably doesn't matter much. They are fire though. Like that icy bottom. Ooh, those are fire. But yeah, they do have some QC issues. This is the pair from Sneakers. It looked like the, oh, you can't see it there. It looked like it's wet with glue stains, them spots right there. That's kind of crazy. Let me sit it down and see if it goes away. Nah, so definitely some QC. Jordan looked like he got a little armpit hair right there. I don't know if you can see that. So that's one. Let's see how the second pair looks. Sheesh. These must have been early release and sent back. Them boys look like they curled their toe up. Like you made somebody mad and they put on your shoes. Whew. That's not very pleasant. Oh, goodness. And I brought out some other 5. So I wanted to look at them from the top because watching Wear Tester's channel, he said from the top view, they didn't look like Jordan 5s. So I kind of wanted to compare to some other Jordan 5s. So I brought out some Khaled's, which are in good shape. Look all right to me. I also brought out a pair from June of 2006. This pair came from Foot Action. What's funny, it almost looked like Jordan got a butt crack sewed in on these as I take them out, but I still got the receipt in the box. But there's a pair from 06. The toe box goes back more slightly than this pair. This pair is a size 11. This is an 11.5. Other than that, they look fairly similar to me. Let me grab a different shoe to lay them on the side and see what the sides look like. Side by side. Design looks pretty similar. The main difference is the way this toe cuts back more, kind of like how the 85s are on the ones. This has the rounder toe box too. I don't have an OG pair, so I don't know what's different, but these boys definitely came with some flaws. I guess you do have to order multiple pairs so you can get you one pair. These definitely look like they were worn the way that's curled up, but soles look brand new and icy. Well, I could be wrong. There is a spot right there. I'm going to have to investigate that a little more. Maybe somebody had early access and sent them back, and they didn't ship me these. The suede feels nice though. Suede is nice. Other than that, it's a fire shoe. It was going to be in my Bright 5 collections, but we shall see. So an update on these shoes is I end up winning a second pair in my size, and I sold them on GOAT. So I wanted to compare these to my wife's 5s also, just to see which one I like better. She said she likes hers better. I like the UNC 5s better. Anyway, I sold these on GOAT, and GOAT said they were fake. And I sent them the Nike receipt and everything, but they ended up sending them back to me. This shoe came from Sneakers. I hit on a draw, and GOAT said they were fake. And I was hot about that because I have real shoes. I got them from Sneakers. And so since I hit on another pair, I just ended up sending these back to Sneakers, and they gave me my money back with no problem. And so this is the first time I had a problem with GOAT as far as selling a shoe, where I ended up with too many pairs. And I just thought that was interesting and that I would share that with you. When it came back, this is the sticker I had on it. So if you get some from GOAT with a sticker like that, it might be some fakes. But I'm looking forward to rocking these with the Carolina jersey.